Welcome to WealthNex YouTube channel, the channel where we uncover the secrets of money, success, and financial freedom. If you're serious about building wealth and escaping financial struggles, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a powerful wealth building tip. Now, let's dive into today's topic: 10 money secrets rich people never tell you, but you need to know if you want to get ahead. Secret 1: money is a tool, not the goal. Wealthy people don't chase money just to spend it. They see money as a tool that buys freedom, opportunities, and time. That mindset shift alone changes everything. Secret 2: they pay themselves first before bills, luxuries, or entertainment. Rich people always set aside money for investing or saving. They make their future self the priority. This means if they earn $10,000, a fixed portion immediately goes to assets like stocks, real estate, or savings accounts. They treat investing like a non-negotiable bill. Paying themselves first ensures their wealth grows automatically. Secret 3: they use debt to make money. While most people fear debt, wealthy people leverage good debt, like real estate loans or business credit, to create cash flow. They don't let debt use them, they use debt smartly. For example, instead of buying a car with a loan, they might take a loan to buy an apartment building that produces monthly rental income. The key difference: poor debt takes money out of your pocket, while good debt puts money into it. Secret 4: multiple streams of income. Rich people don't rely on just one paycheck. They create businesses, investments, side hustles, and passive income streams so money keeps flowing even when they sleep. For example, one millionaire might have income from rental properties, stocks, online businesses, and speaking engagements all at once. If one stream dries up, the others keep flowing, making them financially secure. Secret 5: they invest early and consistently. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or businesses, the wealthy know that consistent investing over time compounds into massive wealth. Imagine investing $500 every month in the stock market. Over 20 years, thanks to compound interest, that could grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars. The rich don't wait for the perfect time, they let time itself do the heavy lifting. Secret 6: they value time more than money. Instead of trading hours for dollars, rich people build systems that make money work for them. They outsource, delegate, and automate so they can focus on high-value decisions. They understand that time is the only resource you can't get back, so they guard it carefully and use it to create opportunities. Secret 7: they think long-term. Most people want quick wins. Rich people plan decades ahead. They plant financial seeds today for a harvest 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. Secret 8: networking is their currency. Rich people know relationships open more doors than money alone. They surround themselves with mentors, investors, and like-minded individuals who create opportunities. Secret 9: they keep learning about money. The wealthy are lifelong students of finance. They read, take courses, and study the markets. Knowledge compounds just like money. Secret 10: they live below their means. The biggest secret: rich people often live humbly. They don't waste money proving they're rich, they focus on staying rich. Many millionaires still drive modest cars and live in normal neighborhoods. And there you have it, 10 powerful money secrets rich people rarely share, but now you know them too. Which secret surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to WealthNex for more tips on personal finance, wealth building, and achieving financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep, grow, and use wisely. Thanks for watching WealthNex, and I'll see you in the next video.